Assalamu alaikum grade 4 students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to video class of English for lecture 4. Today we will do an exercise and that is jumbled words. We will rearrange the words and make a complete sentence. Remember the capital letter and a punctuation mark at the end of a sentence. Okay students, so first we will learn how can we unscramble the sentences. You must remember that each sentence in English follows a pattern: subject, verb, object, and sentences should be rearranged based on this. Look at some tips to unscramble the sentences. Number first, for statements: subject, functioning verb, preposition, object. For example, cats jump into boxes. For questions: interrogative, yes or no answer questions. Verb, subject, preposition, object. For example, do you jump into box? WH or HW questions. WH or HW interrogative word plus verb, subject, preposition, object. For example, why do you jump into box? Number third, for orders, requests and suggestions: verb, preposition, object. For example, jump into box. Now look at the question. Unscramble the sentences below. Write each unscrambled sentence on the line. Use correct punctuation. The first one has been done for you. Look at sentence first. Here, when you did color. When did you color your hair? Capital W. And this ended with a question mark. Number 2. Best my is this friend. This is my best friend. Capital T and a full stop. Number 3. Bus on get the now right. Get on the bus right now. Capital B and a full stop. Number 4. Guitar can you the play. Can you play the guitar? Capital C and a question mark. Number 5. Fantastic is news this. The correct sentence is this news is fantastic. Capital T and a full stop. Number 6. Mr. Meet Hassan have neighbor you my. Have you meet my neighbor Mr. Hassan? Capital H and a question mark. Number 7. Name is what your last. What is your last name? Capital W and a question mark. Number 8. Time on, please be. Be on time. Now it's your assessment time. Question number 1. Draw a line from column A to join each prefix to its root word in column B to make new words in column C. Column A. Prefixes: in, this, for, un, none. Base words are honest, correct, sense, had, known. Incorrect. Number first, incorrect. Write it in column C. Number 2, dishonest. Number 3, forehead. Number 4, unknown. Number 5, nonsense. Come to question number 2. Look at the picture and write any 5 nouns and verbs each in the given blanks. Noun mean name of person, place, thing or animal. Verb mean action. So look at the picture. Here you can see person, place, thing and animals. Write 5 nouns and verbs each in the given blanks. Okay students, so the 5 nouns are girl, trees, elephant, family, animals, zoo. And 5 verbs are play, shower, walk, enjoy, climb. Complete question number 2 neatly and kindly do it with pencil.